Some call it the future. For us, it means acting today. In 2050, there will be 10 billion people on Earth. According to the UN, 60% more food will have to be produced to feed them all. Equally important, the economic and ecological use of resources such as energy, water, but also nutrients and seeds. The use of powerful, smarter technology will be more decisive than ever. Some call it global player. For us, it is simply the backing. As an AGCO brand, Fendt has been one of the world's largest manufacturers of agricultural machinery since 1997. With a promise to be a trusted partner to farmers for industry-leading smart farming solutions, AGCO aims to play its part in feeding the world sustainably. This is what more than 3,000 sales partners in over 140 countries compete for every day. Our claim, Farmer First. Some call it history. For us, it is values. Tractor production in Marktoberdorf began in 1930 with a 6 HP diesel Ross small tractor with cutter bar and mounted plough. The Fendt brand was born and stood for really good products right from the start. The legendary diesel Ross was constantly developed further and became more popular from year to year. In 1949, 20 diesel Ross were already being produced every month. Since then, Fendt has been setting milestones. From the implement carrier through the farmer and favorite series, to the revolution of the tractor market, the Vario transmission. And we are still rooted today where it all began. The Fendt Forum in Marktoberdorf is the gateway to the Fendt world. A modern visitor center, meeting place for all customers, sales partners, friends and Fendt fans. Today, more than 7,000 employees develop and manufacture Fendt technology in Germany. The tractors are built in Marktoberdorf. 120 kilometers to the north is the Asbach-Bäumenheim cabin factory. Fendt forage harvesting technology comes from Feucht, and the Katana forage harvester and Rogator crop protection sprayer are manufactured in Hohenmörsen. The Fendt round balers and the Fendt loader wagon are produced in Wolfenbüttel. The Fendt combine harvesters come from Braganza in Italy. The Fendt square press balers are produced in Heston, USA. The tracked vehicle tractors and the Fendt Rogator 900 come from Jackson, Minnesota. The Fendt Momentum Precision air seeder is built in Beloit, Kansas, and in Iberobá, Brazil. The second plant in Brazil, in Santa Rosa, produces Fendt Ideal for markets outside Europe. Some call it crazy. We call it research and development. But still crazy enough to go in unconventional directions again and again, leaving reality behind, researching and developing virtually. Our engineers have only one measurement goal: customer benefit, nothing more, nothing less. But when the product takes shape, we are firmly back on the ground. Only one thing is harder than reality: a test in our complete vehicle test bench. There we simulate the toughest working conditions. Only those that prove themselves here may be used. Some call it quality. For us, it is the Fendt standard. Flawless products, a quality promise to our customers. The permanent function and quality controls during the entire manufacturing process and the high vertical range of manufacture give us the security to do so, whether gears, shafts or housings. Almost all components of the Vario gearbox are produced in Markt-Oberdorf itself. And of course, they are also tested with the latest measuring technology. Every smallest inaccuracy is a big deal for us. In our own particle laboratory, components for the Vario gearbox are tested for residual dirt particles in the millimeter range, in order to reduce residues to a minimum. The Vario transmission is the heart of the Fendt. Here, there are no compromises. Every day, the employees at the cabin factory in Asbach-Bäumenheim also demonstrate their expertise in cabin and canopy production. In the end, a Fendt cabin is a workplace for long days. In the beginning, it's just tubes, profiles and sheet metal. With the most modern technologies and high-tech equipment, the foundation for the cabin quality is laid in the individual part production. Through interlocking production processes and the use of robotic systems, the perfect processing of each individual component is guaranteed and is meticulously controlled. A 5-axis laser checks all canopies with the help of 3D measurements. The experience and dedication of the Fendt employees leave no room for error. And we leave nothing to chance in production logistics either. Thanks to the RFID technology used, we always know exactly where all the parts are in the factory. Smart glasses support employees in quality assurance. They specify over 60 defined test points on and in the cabin, efficiently and without detours. So that customers can do their work in peace, we subject every driver's cabin to a noise protection test. With the help of ultrasound technology, our employees detect even the smallest gap. And the seals are also tested, because only what is perfect makes its way to Markt-Oberdorf. At the Markt-Oberdorf tractor factory, the cabins arrive just in time and also just in sequence, in other words, in the correct production order. A tractor consists of about 10,000 components that are delivered directly to the assembly line without any detours. This is how a Fendt is created step by step. Manufactured, assembled, and tested with care. All Fendt series are produced on a single assembly line and in every conceivable equipment variant. In addition to a large number of series test benches, there are 10 quality gates in the entire process, where our employees meticulously subject components or systems to an additional intermediate check. Visual condition, optional equipment, installation and workmanship, as well as functional tests. Everything is planned, and anything not according to plan is recorded, electronically documented, and of course corrected. But no high-tech solution, no matter how modern, can replace the experience of employees. Because good ideas for even better processes and results do not come from machines, but from committed and experienced colleagues. With an average of 15 years of service, Fendt can rely on the most experienced employees. You can only build the best tractors with the best employees. And that is why we also invest in the education of the younger generation. At the end of the production, everything comes to light. With 2,400 lux illuminants, each individual tractor undergoes a final inspection. The result? Our Fendt standard. Some have a product portfolio. We have a mission. We have developed into a full-line manufacturer because we are convinced that this is the best way to benefit our customers. For example, the operating concept on our machines is comprehensive. Our mission? Helping our customers succeed where it all begins, at the intersection of heaven and earth, where nature and agricultural know-how meet. With tractors, harvesting machines, forage harvesting technology, and seeding machines with competence and quality. And with clever concepts. Our site in Fendt has been part of the group since 2011 and is regarded as a competence center for forage harvesting technology in Europe. No wonder when you have stood for innovative agricultural technology for over 9 decades. This is where rakes, tedders and cutters are developed, produced and tested without compromise. The customer's work firmly in view. The harvesting season is short. Everything must work and nothing must stand still. This is where the Fendt combine harvesters come into play. First and foremost, the Fendt Ideal. It has proven its strength and performance in independent performance tests. The combine harvesters are manufactured at the Center of Excellence in Breganze. At the end of the production line, the harvesters enter one of the most modern test centers for harvesting technology in the world. On 2 separate test benches, 150 tests are carried out on mechanics, electrical, and electronics, including cutting unit simulation, and that at 100%. The harvesting technology also includes the Fendt Katana forage harvester. Developed in Marktoberdorf, the various forage harvester models have been built in series at the AGCO plant in Hohenmölsen since 2012. According to Fendt standard, each individual machine is manufactured in a production line. A lean and effective way of production. Proven quality in design and function. We are close to nature with our products and do our best to protect and preserve it. Our sustainable commitment is based on the conviction that, as a traditional company, we want to take responsibility for this and future generations. We achieve the strongest impact for environmental sustainability where it counts, with our products. We help our customers to contribute to a sustainable future. By using our Vario transmission, farmers are already saving 336 million litres of diesel fuel every year. This is made possible by environmentally friendly technology, from the demand-oriented fan drive to our low-speed concept, and the separate oil circuit for hydraulics and gearbox. And we are looking to the future. We are working flat out to develop the already award-winning Fendt E100 Vario, a fully electrically powered and therefore emission-free tractor. If it is charged with solar, wind or biogas power generated on the farm, the energy cycle is closed. With the Xava research project, we are taking precision farming with small mobile robot units a decisive step forward, and are preparing for another revolution in swarm technology and autonomy. Emission-free and easy to maintain. Some call it Farming 4.0. We call it Fendt 1. The networking of the machines with each other, as well as with the farm and the service partner, form the basis of precise farming. We have developed a strategy that not only optimizes operations, but also enables smart decisions to use resources wisely. Fendt 1 is our operating philosophy that brings together the onboard world with the offboard world. It enables real-time wireless data transmission between the tractor cab and the operations office. Fendt 1 brings together agronomic and machinery data, enabling farmers to better use database diagnostics to make informed decisions that improve farm efficiency and resource conservation, as well as yield and productivity. Some call it a future industry. We simply call it agriculture. Fendt machines are not just simple products. Fendt machines are partners, workers, family members, proven, intelligent, efficient and powerful. Reliable quality for professional and sustainable agriculture. It's Fendt because we understand agriculture.